Hi everyone, how are you? Look at this. Here I am in my Mautic affiliate withdrawal history. You can see I started this only 3 months ago. In April, I got $400, around 478. In May, I got around 347. And the last month, I got around $500. So I started, and from the first month, I got these numbers. If you go to my DigitalOcean account referral system, you can see that I have pending $48,000. Every month I get paid from DigitalOcean around $400 to $600 monthly. This is two real examples on affiliate marketing and how to make money with affiliate marketing. In this video course, I will show you how you can do the same, how you can build your own affiliate marketing business. I will share with you exactly what I did and what I do to promote affiliate products. This will help you start your online business today and build a real business away from spamming and making some pennies online. I want to show you how to build real business, real online business from your home. Stay tuned and follow up with me. Before we start, please don't forget, subscribe now to my channel, turn on notifications, like the video to get every new update almost every day. So let's start directly and talk about affiliate marketing, how to start with affiliate. By the way, a small note, affiliate marketing is not my main business. It's totally passive income with respect to me. If you want to know how I make money online, my 5 main income streams, you can check the video in the description below. Anyway, now let's go and see how we can work with affiliate marketing and build our business. Before we start, in just 30 seconds, just for those who don't know what is affiliate, simply affiliate marketing is promoting or marketing products for other people. Simple example. Now I have an online course, yes? Now you can promote my course and you will get commission. So simple, this is affiliate marketing. So you get commission when you sell a product for someone else. Of course, the number that you see here for affiliate is just a startup. You can earn up to $10,000 per month. You can earn up to $40,000 per month if you work properly and work hard and build your business correctly. And this is what I want to show you in this video. So we know now what is affiliate marketing, and this is a real proof on how to make money with affiliate marketing. Let's see now how to start and where to start. 3 simple steps. 1. Choose the product you want to promote. Create content about this product. Drive traffic to your content. So simple, I think. Let's go to my blog to show you a direct example. So this is my blog, and I have around 10,000 views per month on my website. You can see when you open my blog, you'll see these 2 banners, these 2 ads. Now in my case here, I am promoting my own services. This is my own course, and this is my own service, the free digital marketing tools, which is hsupertools.com. You can see, so here in my case, I'm promoting my services. But as an example, you can add here advertisements about your affiliate product instead of this. But as I told you, since affiliate is not my main business, I prefer promoting my own services and my own courses. Anyway, let's go to the direct example. If you go here to how to build SMTP and send unlimited emails guide. If you open this article, here I'm talking about building a server, building an email server to send unlimited emails. In the article, if you go down here, let's go to creating a VPS server. You can see here that I am linking to my DigitalOcean affiliate link. You can see here, and by the way, this is a free link so people can create a free VPS on DigitalOcean Cloud. So people will click on this and subscribe using my link. And this is why I get a high amount of subscribes. If you go back here to DigitalOcean, you see I have $48,000 pending. So when any of these spend $25 on DigitalOcean, I will get paid. So simply this is an example. I write an article and I mention and link my affiliate products inside the article. And then I can drive traffic. I will talk about driving traffic in a little bit because it's very important. It's the main key of success when it comes to affiliate marketing. You need traffic. But this is simply the idea. Choose a product, create content like a blog post, and then drive traffic, and then you will get referrals and simply earn money. This is the idea. What's nice that this is totally passive. So when people comes to my website, they are coming from Google, from search engines, from my YouTube channel. I'm not doing any effort. So people are coming, subscribing, and I am earning. It's totally passive, and this is what's nice about affiliate marketing in this case. So this is an example, a direct example on how to start with affiliate marketing. Again, just memorize it, choose the correct product for your audience, create content about this product, and then drive traffic. I think the concept is so simple. Another example on how I promote my affiliate links. As I told you, the second step is to create content. So another type of content is creating videos. If you go now to my YouTube channel and let's say select this video, any video you want here, this is a free email marketing course. And if you go down to the description, you will see here that I am sharing affiliate links. You can see this link here, MailWiz link. If you open it, it will open Code Canyon so people can buy MailWiz, but using my affiliate referral link. You can see it. Here I am shrinking the link so I can monitor clicks. I will talk about shrinking link and short links in a little bit because it's very important also when it comes to promoting links and monitoring your traffic. Anyway now, so you can see when people click on this link, will refer to this website where they can buy this application and then I will get commission. So this is another example on how you can promote an affiliate link. So you can create a blog post, write about the product and link to it, or create a YouTube video, which is a video content, and link to it. Of course, in the video I mentioned that you can find the description below, and then they click here to buy the script. So this is another example on how to promote affiliate links or affiliate products. The third example on how I promote my affiliate links. If you go here to my Udemy profile, let's go to my public profile on Udemy, to my courses, you will see that I have around 60,000 students. If you go down here, you will find some free courses like this one here, the email marketing mastery course. If you open this course, it's a free, anyone can enroll, and I get thousands of students almost every day. And you go here to the course, you will see I am linking also to Code Canyon from my free course. So this is also another strategy you can do, is by creating a free course on Udemy or any other education platform, but Udemy is the best because it has a big marketplace, it has millions of students. So when your course is free, you will get a lot of enrollments. So you'll get a lot of traffic on your affiliate links and products. So this is my third strategy on promoting my affiliate products, my affiliate links. So create a blog post, YouTube videos, or create a course on Udemy and promote the related products or related links. Just to refresh your memory, the first step is to choose the product. In my case, since I work in online business, in digital marketing, and email marketing, I went and searched for products related to my niche, to my topic, so I can promote in my courses, in my videos, and in my blog post. I think the idea is simple. Another example on how to promote your affiliate products is using social media. If you go here to my Facebook page, I have around 5,000 followers. You can see here is my page on Facebook. I have around 5,000 followers, 5,200 followers. In the same way, I can promote my content, my YouTube videos, my articles on my Facebook page so I can get more traffic, and then simply I can get more clicks to my referral affiliate products. So use social media. Also, I have some Facebook groups that I manage. I have a couple of thousands of people on this Facebook groups. As an example, let's go to my email marketing group. This is one of my groups. I have around 1,000 members in this group. I also can promote my content in this group. Also, you can use Twitter, Pinterest, and so on. So this is how you can get more traffic from social media also to your content and to your affiliate products. The last strategy in promoting affiliate links is email marketing. And please concentrate well now, because if you do this wrong, you will be a spammer. So how to use email marketing to promote affiliate links. I always get questions telling me, hey Hassan, if I send bulk emails to different people mentioning some affiliate links, is this spam? Simply yes. Spamming in email marketing is promoting a product, a service, adding some links and sending them in bulk, thousands, millions to different people and waiting for clicks and commissions. This is considered as spamming. Okay? We don't want to spam. We want to build real business, safe business, and we want to promote affiliate with email marketing. How to do this? How to promote affiliate safely with emails? Number one is build an email list. Let people subscribe to your email list, build your email list, and then you can promote whatever you want to your followers. If you go to my website here, you can see on my main page, I have this subscribe opt-in form. So people can subscribe to my email list. Also here on my channel, I showed you a real case study on how I collected 10,000 emails, 10,000 targeted emails in less than 1 month for free. You can check the video description below. It's a very important case study. You can learn how to collect more emails and how I did this in less than 1 month. So number one is build a targeted email list. Now, if you are thinking big and you want to build a real business, you can use ads to build your email list. As an example, in Facebook, if you go now to the ads manager to create a Facebook ad, let's click here on create ad. In the target, you can select lead generation. In this way, you can promote a lead magnet, which you can use to collect emails from Facebook using a paid campaign on Facebook. So we have different methods to collect emails. Please review my email marketing mastery course, my email marketing tutorials here to learn how to collect emails. So after you collect emails, you can start sending emails to your followers, to your people. But in order to keep them attracted, don't send trash to them. Always send them high quality content. Like you can send them newsletters to go to your website and read your new blog post. So you can promote your content with email marketing, and then you can get more traffic to your website and get more traffic to your affiliate links. So if you want to use email marketing properly, you need to build your email list and then send them emails promoting your content and not the affiliate products. You can send them newsletters, weekly newsletters about your new YouTube videos, about your new services, about your new blog posts, and so on to get more traffic. And by the way, it's very important to use short links. As I told you here in the videos, you can see I use always short links to promote any link. To add any link, I use short links. Why? Simply because I can monitor my clicks, I can monitor my audience. If you go here and click on log in, this is my short link service system that you can subscribe to if you want. It's somehow cheap. Anyway, you can see I have a lot of short links here promoting my affiliate and my service and almost all my links. So in this way I can monitor clicks from which countries, who are getting to my website, and also what's nice, you can add tracking pixel. If you go here, you can see I add a Facebook pixel to my short links, so I can also use retargeting later on with my Facebook ads, with my Google ads, with Quora ads to target people who clicked on my links. So you can target people who are watching your YouTube videos. And this is very important if you got my point. I think it's somehow an advanced topic. I will create a dedicated lecture about it, how to retarget people who is visiting your YouTube channel or clicking on your links. It's very important when it comes to retargeting using Facebook ads or Google ads or whatever advertisement system you are using. So this is how I promote my affiliate products. This is how you can start by choosing a product, creating content, and getting more traffic. And the last tip for you to get really high traffic to your website and in no time is to use Quora. Go now to my description below. You will find a link to my video on how to get thousands of new visitors daily from Quora. And in less than 1 week, check the video in the description below. Also, I'll be very happy to hear from you. Any opinion, suggestion, question, anything you want related to this video in the comments below. Please share your thoughts. If you have other strategies, we can help others so other people watching can learn from you also and help other people promoting and starting their online business with affiliate marketing. Don't forget to check Ad Super Tools, my free SEO digital marketing tools. Read a book every day in 10 minutes on booksandmore.blog. See you later.